This is day 2 of the February 2010 blizzard. It's Saturday, February 6th, 2010. We've lost power. I think there's at least 3 feet of snow. Maybe 30 inches.
So we do have gas and we're able to...
We do have gas and we're able to make tea. No meal. I'm trying to find a radio that works.
Still day 2, Saturday morning, February 6th. Blizzard 2010, still no power. It is also still snowing. This is the front of the house. We've had to take all the food out of the refrigerator and we've buried it in the snow in coolers so the food will stay good. We have 2 coolers right here. There's one, the other little one is down here. Snow is still coming down. Don't know when we'll get our power restored. Basketball net's full of snow. Barely see the mailbox. Snow's up to the trees. It's hard to estimate, at least 30 inches, I guess. Over 2 feet for sure. Wind is picking up as well. It's very windy. Can't see much past the houses in front of us. It's still day 2 of the blizzard of 2010, February, Saturday, February 6th. As you can see now, this is looking out the back porch. The snow is at least 3 feet on the top. We still do not have power. And if you can see it, the snow is actually level to the window right now. It's completely level to the back window. Mohammed's going out now to try to clear off some of it so it doesn't get too close to what's already up against the door. But he hasn't made it around to the back of the house yet because there's no path and it takes a long time to walk through snow when it's up to your hips. He's been gone about 5 minutes just to walk to the back of the house. And he's just come back in and said he can't even make it to the backyard. So he's unable to make it to the backyard to clear it off. Too much? Mohammed and Adam have gone back out to see if they can shovel out the back deck. They made it to the back this time. And they're working on it. There you go, take a look and see. The thermostat says right now, no heat. It's currently it's 10 minutes of 1. We haven't had power since 5 a.m. We're at 62 degrees right now.